Mama.
Who in this life writes better lyrics about love than Fally?
S'il te plaît, quand tu vas faire ton liste, il faut bien réfléchir, s'il te plaît.
Oh, that is my man.
Oh, ton boss est JB.
Hello, I'm doing my outro. Thank you.
You gotta look it. You gotta look it.
Two musicians together.
I need you guys to really bokansa bien. Botia nani.
Because Fally's so sexy and I just love him. And
Oh, you can't have sexy, number sexy.
Bienvenue and welcome back to La Liste Top 5. Good evening, guys. You guys already know it's your girl Sylvia K. I am your presenter for this evening, for today, and for the rest of the show, to be honest. So we today are joined by amazing panelists. I'm talking about singers, I'm talking about musicians, I am talking about influencers, I'm talking about entrepreneurs and fashion designers. Guys, we have collected top-notch Congolese diaspora here in the UK and brought them to you for La Liste. And of course, who else but your girl Sylvia K to present the show. So today, we are going to be talking about the most iconic albums in Congolese history. Today, we are going to be finding out who your panelists think are top notch and who they're just not thinking about whatsoever. Who makes the cut, who doesn't make the cut. Today we're going to find out. Of course, as you guys know, and if you don't know, I'm just going to say it one more time. So top 5, here is how it goes. They need to make sure their top 5 matches up with my top 5. If they feel my top 5 is just not up to par, we can deliberate on it. However, whether I choose to take on theirs or dismiss mine is a whole nother situation, because you know, on this show, I have the final say. So let's get into it. I'm going to introduce the panelists and then we're going to go straight into finding out who has the most iconic album. On my right hand side today, we switched it up. We have the influencer of the century, one of the best that will ever come out of London on behalf of the Congolese diaspora. She is our Shani London.
Hey.
Among her team as well, we have the fashion designer, the tailor that you all need to go to on anytime you guys have your super wax here, or bozana libala, bo lukamoto, d'ailleurs moko atonga bino ba robe, or ba costume, poboke kapa, Monsieur Romeo Truby. Your hair. And on our left-hand side today, we've got the musicians of all of the musicians, guys. They have teamed up. They are, but I'm sure, Bakobota Karate. Listen, it is a team match made in heaven today. We're going to see what the musicians have to say. We also have singers. Listen, the musician side is pulping. We have Mademoiselle Carmen and no other than the rock star, Mr. Rarity himself. Guys, it is lit. So, top 5. I need you guys to really think about this one, okay? I need you guys to really, bokansa bien, botia nani, Carmen, to boy. Qu'est-ce que tu avais fait l'autre épisode? OK, on veut plus de ça. Okay. S'il te plaît, quand tu vas faire ton liste, il faut bien réfléchir, s'il te plaît. OK?
Non, mais on avait gagné.
Mais
yeah.
At the same time, you know, sis was saying mad things. So we need you to really think about this one.
You know what? Yes.
On va gagner where?
Gagner where?
Yes. On va gagner where?
T'as gagné quoi?
On va gagner, hein?
T'as pas gagné rien.
Gagner quoi?
Mais c'est pas français, na mango que na on comprend.
All right, cool. You guys have the list that you guys need to go with. You guys got them. I'm going to give you guys, again, 2 minutes on the clock. We're going to come back after 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the clock. You guys' time starts now.
Wait, can you take a picture of that list and send it to me, please?
Let's spin this round. And
We had the full deck.
I've never had it.
We'll make the list and then
I got you told me yours.
It's not Sunday.
Little dimanche, little samedi.
Hey, we just have to base it to Congo.
Yeah,
'cause
yeah,
it's already
that's what I was doing before. You was like, it was like,
Nah, yeah.
And then
Top five, not ours.
Jibe, yeah, and then Jibe Panafandina, Bayeko Bengaye, Jibe Bayeko Bengaye, Poda Didi, SOLOLA bien. Eli,
Zela,
Kote, Eza Kaya, Dali.
no, they're doing up concert.
They're doing our concert.
TH.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
then
then,
SOLOLA bien.
yeah. I think we got it. I can't lie to you.
And then
Wait. You know what? This.
In my household, all we heard was louange.
Wait, Romeo.
Now.
I want to know what one songs did you hear in your household? Give me one.
I don't know, Mati Samuel, is that?
Yeah, no. Mathieu Samuel.
Mati Samuel, Peppa T.
Alright,
Michael
give me one Claire Patrice song.
okay, let's put it in the list, yeah?
No,
I want Romeo to
really.
So what is?
Any club will shout anymore.
I need to
Memoir.
Yeah, it's shot
Let's
stand.
do number. Let's go
Okay,
up.
okay.
Because,
What's number 5 for you?
Right, so. It's hard, bro.
That's definitely somewhere on the list.
Okay.
That has to be someone. That has to be
Alright,
someone.
alright.
Yeah,
What I want to
because
say
you know
is
the older. If
number one is
That's the. You have to do the legendary ones first.
Of course. Because that changed the game. That changed the game.
Have you guys done your list?
Nah, it's tough.
It's so tight. Can we get a 6?
You don't even have my command.
Can we get a 6?
Yo, we need
No.
a 6. We need
We
an
need
honorable
6.
mention. We need an honorable mention.
We need an honorable
Because
mention. This is too tight.
This list, yeah.
We need an honorable
Hey,
mention.
yo,
No?
hey.
No?
Alright, so I think here, personally.
This is very mokili. Hey!
He said this is very much.
I'm dying because he had it spot on.
He said,
It
you're
really
someone
is.
in Zambia.
Shit, then.
You're someone in Zambia.
I'm on
Romeo.
Yeah, he's. I can't lie, he's a goat. Like, no one's trying to.
5, 4,
I'll explain this to you. You do
3,
that one. You do the Ocean Man.
2,
MZ Fulang.
1. Pens down. Pens down.
So you don't know this one.
That's it.
You do this one, I'll do that one.
That's it.
You do that.
That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
I got a disclaimer.
What's your disclaimer?
Our disclaimer is that we just went with
At my
the
house,
Holy
all I heard
Spirit.
was louange. This is all mokili music.
So wait, there was no adoration, not one adoration.
Where?
Just no, but in your house, in
yeah.
your house, because you're saying Luan.
You're so too Zambi.
Zambia. This is Zambia. This one. Now you be there.
Oh.
Wait, so
Difficile,
Well, we can
not
say
sitting well
say
with
our
you in
thing, but we
Spain?
won't be able to elaborate as much.
all right, okay.
At number 5, we're gonna go with number 5. We'll go sans commentaire.
Sans commentaire. Okay.
Number 4, we're gonna go with. I'm just writing a number 5. Number 4, we're gonna go with. Papa Wimba, to Ibi Koloba.
Okay, don't worry. All right, number 3.
Number 3, you pay Dingako.
SOLOLA bien.
All right, number 3, SOLOLA bien. All right, cool.
Number 2, we're gonna go with parce que to Ibi était.
Ini mini mani man.
Listen.
At our age, right? Number 2 is droit chemin.
Okay, cool.
They look proud.
Yeah, everyone's there.
Number 1, EFFRAKATA.
Okay. All right. fair.
EFFRAKATA.
Okay, we love it. All right, cool. But musicien.
You lot shouldn't even be discussing.
Guys, if you guys change your list one more time.
We're not changing. We're just discussing who's going to
Okay.
elaborate the points.
All right, cool.
Because you actually thought about this.
Yeah, but we got the.
Yeah,
we got
we got
today.
that.
We got
Sorry,
today.
match made in heaven. Sorry,
We
match
actually
made in
thought
heaven.
about this.
Sorry, musician.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Right?
Sorry. I'm not in your
Okay.
bills,
TH, yeah? That's number 5.
Number
Fair
5.
enough.
Toujours aimé.
TH.
DH.
It means toujours hum.
Toujours
Toujours
So
aimé.
it means I'm humble.
Bisuta Zali Emblem.
Why is it number 5? This is the
Machini.
Hey! Hey! I'm playing my mom and my dad.
What?
Alright, cool.
You lot don't know.
Okay.
Relax.
Okay, now we'll give you context, yeah?
Yeah.
Number 4, SOLOLA bien.
Alright.
Yo, this is
Mama.
Okay, let's give context, yeah? The reason we put 5 and 4 is because at the time they were beefing, innit? So SOLOLA bien is where I saw telling JB, you're not chatting properly,
You're not
innit?
chatting.
Pattern up.
Yeah, you're not talking too tough.
You're not talking too tough.
You get
But
it, like-
JB responded with day after,
I'm
yeah,
humble,
after,
my bro.
saying, I'm humble, my bro.
Yeah, you get
I'm not
it.
on smoke. I let the music do the talking.
Yeah.
So basically, where I said if you're talking the hardest,
Yeah.
you better
as
mention
an
where as an artist.
You understand?
And then JB said, I'm humble. I don't do the talking thing. I let the music
The
do
music,
the
I
talking
let the
thing.
numbers talk. Do you
I'm
get it?
super
Numbers
here.
don't lie.
I'm the number 1.
And number 1.
I'm sitting
He
down.
said
the
he's
funny
the
night.
sovereign one.
He said, na funny na
The
nga, wabe
sovereign
na
one.
nga.
Mad. Okay.
And then number 3,
cool.
Ope Asoja go.
You already know. Opération Dragon by,
Okay, cool. Okay, yeah.
That was
Wait,
a
what
tough
was
one,
that?
actually.
That was number 3.
What would
That
you
was
do?
number 3.
Where?
Opération Dragon.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool.
That's what Kibisa Pimpa, all of that.
Yeah.
And
Number
then you can do this
2,
one.
my personal favorite, put a heart on it.
Put a heart on it.
I didn't think
Put a heart on it, babes.
Yeah, that's my personal favorite.
Why is it your favorite?
Because Fali's so fucking sexy and I just love him. And
Oh, you can't number 16, number 16.
Can we just take a time out? Guys, we are taking a short break from our organized program to let you know that Carmen has a problem, guys.
massive crush. If
She
Fali, if you're watching this, I
is
love you.
basing all of her number 1s and 2s off of their looks.
Yeah. She chose that one. I let her.
We need to really question Carmen's musical ears because at this point she doesn't listen to the music, she looks at the guy.
Who in this life writes better lyrics about love than Fali?
But we're talking about the album, we're not talking about
The
his
whole
whole
album, he's got Liputa on there, he's got...
Finika nga liputa,
Yeah, like,
mama.
I
Aso
love
se
them.
nangai.
Do you understand?
Tala
Like,
denge bolingo sak.
that is my
Na
man.
tiki nanga,
Like,
na tiki nanga.
Number
This
one.
album Fali on the map, innit?
Yeah,
That was his
100%
first solo
Yeah,
album.
yeah, yeah.
And obviously he's led to where he is today.
iconic.
What number is that?
That's number
Number 2.
2.
Yeah, okay.
Because he can't
Rushing
compete
it.
with the legend that is, I put a star on that.
Obviously, you put the legend.
Say it, like.
He's even got an album called The Legend that's coming
Do you
out.
understand?
EFFRAKATA, that's number 1, innit?
Number 1.
That's our number 1, innit?
Banger.
Alright, we done.
Alright. So basically, of 1 and 2s are the same, so now it's you.
Yeah, what's your thoughts?
Do you know what's so funny? Romeo saying now it's you. Est-ce que yiba kiba combo? Est-ce que yoka kiba nzembo wana ndaku? Ya lobila ndaku ya zo yoka ba frère Patrice, ba Marie Samu. And you wanna come and ask me about my list? We're not doing the gospel legend, we're doing iconic albums right now.
It's iconic albums.
Yamukili.
Oh, you didn't say
Hello,
You didn't say that, innit?
Yamukili.
All
Okay,
of them not
cool.
participated.
Do you know what? Yeah, let me say, you guys done really well. Especially, I'm gonna give it to you guys because you guys,
Well, to be
you know,
it's a team.
Come on.
you know, you
Everybody late.
you guys done okay. I like the way you guys put your list together. I can't lie.
We have reason.
Yeah, you put 2 musicians together.
I never put them together. Again, can you guys stop putting some Sylvia K? It was a production.
Production.
Thank you.
going? This is
Again,
ridiculous.
I'm sorry, production. I will throw you under the bus. I will put prop you up. But on this occasion, sorry, it wasn't my doing. I follow the instructions.
Energy.
So, my number 5. Who was your number 5?
THJB.
That's something I don't agree with.
Oh, the boss in JB.
So, my number 5 was Fali Droit Chemin.
That album changed culture.
No, it did change culture.
Shifted
And
the tectonic place.
But the thing is, it changed Fali.
That's true. It's catapulted him into stardom.
That's why I had to put him on the list. But I couldn't put him anywhere before number 3. Like, he had to stay on the lower end. And that's simply because on the list that you guys had in front of you, let me tell you, I have deliberated time and time and again to think this is the most iconic albums. So this means they have to be timeless. These albums our parents listened to. Some of them on the list our parents' listened to, and it has gone down in the chain until we are guys. Let's think about this properly. Give us a minute. Let's think about this properly. Right? Yeah. We are the first generation in this country. Okay. So prior to, they were all back in Congo. So we need to understand how powerful these iconic albums are, that they're still being passed down to us in this time, being the first generation here in the UK. Moving on, bear with me one moment. That's my number 5, which is Fali. Number 4 is JB Piana.
Which one's
with
that?
TH.
What's
did you get it? We're on the same level.
Number 4 was number 4.
What is timeless music?
Timeless music is something that it never runs out. There's no such thing as, I know, with example, like I've got a son, right? My son's 5, okay? And when I play this music, he even likes it, and he's 5, and he's a second generation of coming from a Congolese family here in the UK. He will listen to this as he grows up. God willing, he will be able to pass it on to his children. That's timeless music. Timeless music it's timeless. It doesn't have an age. It doesn't have an expiry date. Some of the albums have a best before date, and it was best before and has done expired.
Okay, but I also think you should consider iconic, because I think when the music came out, it moved, like people moved. And when I say moved, I mean trending. I mean,
that's why they're on the list.
I mean, every single party was popping.
That's why they're on the list.
So you're trying to say, do you think that it's...
No, I agree, I agree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, absolutely, I agree.
100%. That's why they're on the list. That's why they made it this far.
Yeah.
Number 3 for me will be Ouera SOLOLA Bien.
Yeah.
That's number 3. Number 2, though, I can't believe none of you guys put this on. Wait, no, you guys did, but I don't know where you guys put it, and I don't know if you guys even considered this one.
They probably didn't.
Yeah.
Because Yaja. Because you know what it is, yeah? That's all like my nan, like.
Sorry, hello, hi. Hello, yeah.
What's the name?
Madilu's very much like my...
That's
very much my nan.
No, you're right.
My granddad would listen to
No, we
that
didn't put it
a
on the
lot.
list, but it is a classic.
It's a classic. No, but think about it. I just feel like personally, in my nan's house, they would listen to it, and it's like, yeah, it's banging. But
it is banging. I can't even lie.
I wouldn't go to a wedding party and hear Too Tough from Madilu. That's why I said, let me just respect it.
Do you know what the thing is? It depends. You would definitely hear at least one Madilu song.
Si savais ça. There
we go.
But that's in another album. That's Pouvoir.
Yeah. So exactly. Yeah, that's another thing.
But Sans Commentaire is still a banging album.
What's your favorite?
Yeah, John. Even when you think of the music, the sound of the music on that album has transcended even down to the Caribbean, because that is the soukous sound.
Yeah.
It has the original soukous sound, which is what put Congolese music on the map worldwide. Beg your pardon. Even when you go down to Latin America, they have music that has the soukous beat to it. Like we are the originators, so much so that worldwide in other places, they have now used that as their prototype and then changed it as we go along. Which all comes from that, which is why that's my number 2. Number 1 is going to be the song that, it's not even a song, it's going to be the album that's going to be played at my wedding. because it's such a beautiful album.
Let me guess.
It has the best song, one of the best songs by Mupao.
I knew it.
One of the best songs.
It's gonna be V12.
It is gonna be V12.
I knew it.
It is definitely
You know what?
V12.
It was a close one. You know, I can't lie to you because
Definitely
one thing about that
V12.
album, yeah, can I just say?
Yeah, but we
when it
done
comes to
one
the
coffee.
vocal arrangement on the album. When it comes to the direction, like the musicality of it all,
Everything
nobody
about
is
it.
touching Mopamo Konzi. I'm so sorry.
Ever. And this was a really hard one for me
energy.
because
Did
if
they
I'm
put
not
the same one
mistaken,
number one?
on EFFRAKATA there's Pomme Verte. And Pomme Verte, oh no, is that...
It's good bin as well.
Like, it's so good. And when you have to think of, come on, amour, amour, amour. Listen, he said, Shikle Nanga, why have you finished the sukali? So quickly.
Chewing-gum, pourquoi t'as fini le sucre?
Yeah, basically, in the song, in specifically Futa Jalon, yeah, one of the lines that will never ever escape my soul is the fact that he said, "You're my chewing gum." Obviously, we know the chewing gum is sweet. He said, "My chewing gum, you finished your sweetness already. Why? Why? Oh,
So romantic.
come on,
No, that's
bro.
a bit cringy.
Come on.
Chewing gum.
No, I'm into it.
Listen, it's obviously.
I mean, it's old school, so I mean.
Sandy, please feel that.
Exactly.
She's not about
Fuck
it.
that shit.
It is.
Describe it as
100%.
gum.
So that's on the top 5. I can't lie. If I was to change it around, I would change just because of what you guys said.
Who's you guys?
Who's you guys? Well, the musicians.
Yes, the musicians, the elite.
I will be siding with the musicians on this one. Just with one of the go through it again.
So TH.
But we've got 3 out of however many.
SOLOLA bien by Wera, number 4.
Yeah.
Opération Dragon by
I would have never put that.
Really? Do you know what? It was between the two, between
Yeah.
Qui est derrière toi and Opération because I feel like they're both amazing.
But-
I listened to the other one more. Qui est
But
derrière toi.
Opération Dagos, we need context.
Yeah.
Because he was coming on smoke because
Smoke.
JB just dropped TH.
It was a beef. It was a whole
It was a-
moment.
Yeah,
It was
I'm a
thing.
dragon. I'm here to light up the whole jungle.
Like,
Why
he
did
was
I fall
saying-
it?
He was trying to staple himself as like the
Yeah,
guy.
I'm hearing it.
He's not coming
And a
back
lot of-
factual and shit.
The
Fucking
girls
hell.
love the drama.
Yeah, the girls love a bit of
The
drama.
girls love the drama. Honey.
And he was on the back foot, and that
Yeah.
album really.
The girls.
Mum, look what I missed out on, yeah? I don't know.
No, let me
Well,
just
you have
tell
got-
you, your
got plenty of
mum
time.
gave you the best foundation of life.
I can't even say
You have
that.
plenty of time because
I can't even say that.
Yeah.
I didn't listen to the songs.
Number 2, Drachemé, my
Yeah,
baby.
Drachemé, obviously.
And number 1.
I can't believe you put EFFRAKATA on the list because everywhere
that's
is like,
why.
"Bro, that."
That's
Oh,
why.
When you
You know,
hear that,
the thing is, yeah,
To the dance floor.
I felt bad putting Kofi twice.
Oh.
That's why I never, because he would of course be like EFFRAKATA, the album, the video,
Still like
the video, with the one with the cap, the shiny thing, and then the
Yeah,
glasses that
he's
come
an
over like.
Wait, what's the album name for that?
EFFRAKATA.
Yeah.
That's shit. You put that as number 1.
Yeah, that makes sense. You need to
Both put it
at
as number
number
1.
one.
And you put it. What you
No,
put it?
it's
this side of my
Wait,
That one is
It says side about you.
Nowhere.
It says side
he
about you.
filmed those videos in his yard.
That's amazing.
He filmed that video. Obviously, certain songs were outside,
know
but
that,
the
but that's
majority
amazing.
filmed, and he recorded it in his yard.
Bro, and then you
In
have to think
Makamban,
of-
to be
Do you know what the
precise.
maddest thing is? In that video as well, you got to think of how they were dressed. Man.
Bandal
Like,
fit,
100%. I think for me, I would take
No,
out.
it's too late.
She needs
sorry,
to,
honey.
no, she needs to, like, as in, she needs to add it on.
Should I
Don't
be
agree.
sensitive?
Yeah, you need to add it on, please. At least host, please.
I would take off for
Please,
me.
You need to put it there still.
Take off my Dilu, bro. He's older, like, do you get it?
Do
You forgive
you know
us.
what?
Wait,
I
you
didn't
forgive us.
I didn't
When
look
you
at
say
number 2.
Madilu, what's the name? Like, you don't need to relax.
Sans
When you-
commentaire.
No, you can't
No
take
comment,
that
no
off. Because
comment.
obviously the oldies, isn't it? Relax. The oldies.
That's
We got to
fine,
forget
but I'm
the
saying he'll
oldies.
forgive
So we
us
gotta leave
if
it.
we
Oh,
did take it
yeah.
off. That's what I'm saying.
Don't.
Yeah. But it's the Suku sound though.
No,
Yeah,
if I need a lot,
I
I'm
hear
not
you, I
saying
hear
it.
you.
Yeah, you
You
know.
can't. It needs to be.
Like, do you know what it is to go to another country and be able to listen to the beat of their music and hear Congo?
Yeah,
Sorry.
That's true.
That's the only reason. I'm
Even like
trying to think
Brazil,
what I
like-
would take off. And I can't take off Fali because without Drachemé, we wouldn't have what the Fali that we have today.
Sorry, can you repeat all the like who you
So
put on your
from
list?
5 to
Can you-
1,
can you say
we
like
have
the
Fali
name of the-
Drachemé.
Yeah.
Number 4, I have JBTH.
Yeah.
3 is Wera SOLOLA bien. 2 is Madelou System Sans Commentaire. Number 1 is Kofi with V12.
Oh, so we only got 3. How many did you get?
You got 3 as well. You got 3 as well. You know,
So you might as well change it and make it 4. No, actually,
No, I can't. I
doesn't
can't
make
change it.
yeah.
I can't change it.
It
I
won't
can't
make
change
a
it.
difference.
Nah, it's cool.
It's fair all round.
Yeah, nah, we're
this
good.
one was a tough one.
Nah, it was.
This one was a tough one.
Iconic
Iconic album.
And we
Iconic
Shout
album.
out, man. We drew in it. We
You guys didn't justify your point. You just said the song. Number 5 is this. We actually justify it.
Right, and we're winning.
All right, and on this round, we're definitely gonna just wrap it up and say that it was a fair draw. Yay. So well done to you
Please,
guys.
YouTube, tell us
in the
your
comments
top
down
5.
below what you think.
100%.
I don't mind that.
Guys,
Say it again.
thank you so much for watching this show. This one has been mad. I know you guys enjoyed this as much as we did filming it because it has been amazing. I need you guys to comment down below and let us know what your iconic albums would be. Now remember the ones that we have said, guys, let us know. Again, I'm not changing my number 1. My number 1 is Tikaraka Kofi na V12 because Futa Jalan, Boyebika. I'm even upset that there wasn't more albums that I could relate to. If it was up to me, all of Kofi's albums would be number 5. 1 to 5 would be just Kofi, if it was up to me. Kofi, I would. He has got amazing. What?
Nobody's touching it.
He is. But anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Again, take your videos. Let us know why you chose your top 5. At us, YouTube, let us know. We want to know your opinion because your opinion counts. Thank you so much. I am Sylvia K. This is La Lista Top 5. We have an amazing panelist. Make sure you go follow them as well. Follow me, follow the show. See you on the next one.